Let's get into this meatless pasta. The ingredients you'll need: noodles of your choice, sauce, red kidney beans, carrots, yellow, red, and green pepper, an onion, corn. For seasonings: chili powder, cumin, paprika, garlic powder, and if you want a bit more kick, add some Cajun. You'll also need some type of spread to brown your onions and vegetables. Once your vegetables are all chopped up and your carrots are nice and steamed, you'll grab your onions and add it to your spread. We're going to brown it a little bit. Next, we're going to add all our vegetables into the mix, all of the peppers, the carrots, and the corn. Now we'll add in our beans and all of our seasonings and give it a good mix. The final step, add those noodles in your sauce. And there you have it, a meatless pasta. And you can add so many toppings on top: avocado, sour cream, cheese. What's your favorite topping? Enjoy!
Team Gravey, making things easy.